Hi, everyone. My name is Sherry Joseph, and currently I work at CHOP as an intake coordinator in the autism program. I'll be starting my first year internship in the fall at Belmont Behavioral Health. I'll be working in the inpatient unit. Um, and I'm just looking at the questions over here on my phone. Um, so, what do I hope to get out of this course? I hope to learn more about how trauma can affect the development of an individual and how best to support individuals who have been impacted by trauma. Um, Next question. Why do you think studying trauma is relevant to your future career? So I think studying trauma is very important as social workers. I think it's crucial for us to be knowledgeable on the effects of trauma, and how it can manifest physically and emotionally in the patients we may encounter in our current or future practice. Um, Three ways that I plan to take care of myself this semester. So this is really kind of hard for me because I don't really know. But hopefully, I plan to make as many trips as possible to the beach. Um, just having a few days, well, mainly on the weekends, where I can sleep in. Um, Not having to worry about getting up super early in the morning. So I think that's a few of the things that I'm going to try to do to take care of myself this summer. Um, but really hoping that I get to go to the beach because I love the beach. Um, I'm looking forward to this class and to engage in with everyone. Thanks.